Today we feature the stories of a special group of young people from Ohio, USA. They were here in Nagaland for a week, a team of 11 members from Crossroads International Ministry. Let us first hear the powerful story of a young man called Brandon, and then we will go to hear from the other team members in the group interview. The story of Brandon first.
Hi, my name is Brandon, and I would like to tell you a little bit about my story. I grew up in a Christian home in the United States of America. As a matter of fact, my home was very Christian, as my father was actually a pastor. He became a pastor when I was about 3 years old. But something happened in my life that was truly a defining, changing moment of my life. When I was 17 years old, my father, who had been a pastor since I was just a young child, he moved out of my home and he left my family. And I remember that moment of my life was one of the most difficult times I've ever experienced. I was so sad on the inside of my heart, and I just felt so much anger, and I was just so upset. But one night, He encountered me. God encountered me and showed me His love, and it changed my life. One night following my dad leaving, I was sitting in the room under my house, which in the US we call a basement. Maybe you call it the same thing here. But I was in the basement underneath of my home, sitting on the edge of my bed like this. And I was sitting and I was crying so hard, and my nose was running and I was shaking just because I felt so much pain in my heart. And it was at that moment that the Lord spoke to me. Jesus spoke to me, and it came through a thought in my mind. It wasn't a voice that I heard out loud, but just this thought, but it was directed at me. And so I knew it wasn't just me thinking it. And here's what God said. God said, "Brandon, was this about me or was this about your dad?" And at first I was kind of shocked. And so my response to God was, "What? What did you say? What does that mean?" And again, God said it again, and He said, "Brandon, was this about me or was this about your dad?" And I knew what God was saying. What He was saying is, "Brandon, do you love me because your dad was a pastor? Or do you love me because you've chosen to love me, and from the depths of your heart, you love me?" And at that moment, I answered God, and this moment would change my life forever. I said this, I said, "God, even if my father leaves me, and even if my mother leaves me, and even if my world and everything I know about life, everything falls down and is ruined around me, God, I will always love you. Jesus, you have my heart." And at that moment, my life was changed, and it has impacted my life ever since then. And as I said those words, and after I said it, I felt the love of God come over me. It was as if God Himself came up behind me and wrapped His arms around me and said, "Brandon, I've got you. I've got you. I'm not going to let you go." And He held on to my life. And even though my father might have left, I came to find the love of God, and I came to find for myself, not because my parents loved God. I came to find for myself that I had chosen to love Jesus. And to this day, I still love Him, and I'll love Him forever.